Hello my wonderful people, let's make this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Today we'll be doing this particular bag with the use of leather, suit lining, fiber board, cheap board, revelt, locally called tokotaya, D-ring, magnetic lock, bag stand, bag handle, energy gun. Now we start our front bag top flap. Our measurement. The front is 6 by 9 inch, and that is what I'm about to cut out now, which is my front. But don't forget, my back is also 6 by 9 inch, my top is also 2 inch, while my flap is also 6.5 inch. Then what I'm doing now is I want to shape the front now, but before then I want to get the middle. Before I shape my front, I want to get the middle of my front and the other side of the front as well, the way you are seeing it on the screen. Give it a straight line. The half of 9, we all know that is 9.5, is 4.5. So I want to get the half of my full body as well. Then I'm going to cut it out into shape because I want to get the half of the other side. I mean, you all understand what I mean by that. The half of it is 4.5 as well, because our length is 9 inch. And give it a straight line. Now, my measurement for shaping is 3/4 from the both sides. 3/4, that is 6 lines. Then you slant it. What we are doing now is the shaping of our front. You slant it. Make sure you slant it with care. Then after that, you can see it has been slant, and then you cut it out into shape. I mean the both sides. Then after that, we have to curve that area. Now it has been curved, then you cut it out into shape. And now we are done with shaping of our front. Then follow the line to place it. Now you want to shape our back and our flap, but we are going to use we are using our front to shape it. We are using our front to shape the back first. Then we have to use the line to connect it to shape the flap as well. Make sure your measurement is correct so you can arrive in what a good result or a great result. A good result or great result. So our flap, this is how we are going to shape it as well. Then after that, we cut it out into shape. Cut it out into shape. And don't forget, you have to follow the line when cutting it out. You have to follow the line when cutting it out. Follow the line. Now we have to shape the top as well. You can see the way I shape it. Then you cut it off. Now here is our result. see the way it was done. Now we want to get the base and the both sides using our tip rule to get that. Our result is what? 19 3/4. So the breadth is 3 inch. Just give it a straight line. Then after that, measure 6 inch. Remember, your front is 6 by 9 inch, so you have to measure 6 inch to the both sides. Then give it a straight line. You can see the middle is our what? Our base. Now we have to find the half of our base. We have to find the half of our base. After finding it, give it a straight line. Find the half of what I'm measuring now. From the both sides, our measurement is 7 bar, which is 3/4 and a bar. 3/4 and a bar. It's not up to an inch. 3/4 and a bar. Then give it a slant. From that point to the 6 that is our side. Then give it a slant. Give it a slant. Then after that, you have to cut it out into shape. I mean, the area where you slant and the area that you have to cut out now. Now we have to transfer it to our fiber board. Our fiber board is for our leather, while our chipboard is for our lining. Follow the process. Trace it on your fiber board with care. Then don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Click on the notification button so you can be notified anytime I drop video. I mean anytime I drop my video. We are still on tracing of our fiber board from our chipboard to our fiber board. You have to get the half of everything we are doing on this particular bag. Now you can see the half of the base on our fireboard again. No, we have find the half in our chipboard. Still come across it on our fiberboard. Everything has its own measurements, so follow the measurements so you can get it right. Cut it out into shape. Now I want to get the half of the fiberboard as well. You can see the straight line. The other side I'm still going to get the half. It's my chipboard. straight line. The half of the front of my fiberboard, join it, give it a straight line as well, both the front and back. That is how you have to do it. As we all know that we are not using any logo, we are using our fiber to create our logo. Don't forget to decrease one bar from your chipboard to the both sides. What I measured over there is half inch. If you are curious how did I get this logo, drop it in comment section so I can create video on how you can create your own logo as well. Watch out for the next part of this video to be continued. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.